All right, straight first to the breaking news that's just coming in. The Congress has now dared the Aam Aadmi Party to take action against its own law minister in Delhi. While Congress leader Shakil Ahmed said that Kejriwal must walk the talk on Somnath Bharti, who is the law minister of Delhi. Somnath Bharti was indicted by Delhi's Patiala House Court for allegedly tampering with evidence. The special CBI court had hauled up Bharti and his client who faced corruption charges. The court rap came after CBI accused Bharti and his client of influencing a prosecution witness. My colleague Ankit Tyagi is joining us with more details. Ankit, clearly BJP has wasted no time. It's demanded Somnath Bharti's resignation after these developments came to light. And the Congress too joining the chorus, Shakil Ahmed of the Congress party there, asking Kejriwal to walk the talk.
Well, absolutely, Ruchika. This might turn out to be a fiasco for the Aam Aadmi Party. The BJP and the Congress jumping on this report that has been published in a newspaper, and also the court document that has the order, in fact, of the court, in which the court had exactly quoted saying the conduct of the accused and his advocate, and in that case it was Somnath Bharti, is not only highly objectionable, unethical, but also amounts to tampering of evidence. That means that there were some observations made by the court. The Patiala House Court, special CBI court, was hearing the petition on behalf of one of the accused, to which the defense lawyer was Somnath Bharti. Post this order, this was challenged by Somnath Bharti and Prashant Bhushan in higher courts, but it was rejected and no relief was given to his client. Now, what the BJP and the Congress is asking, they are asking the Arvind Kejriwal that it was his promise that if there is anybody who is indicted in any corruption issue, they will not give them a ticket, leave alone making them a cabinet minister. But now Arvind Kejriwal, so far the Aam Aadmi Party has is on a shaky ground as far as this defense is concerned. In fact, Arvind Kejriwal tried to defend Somnath Bharti, saying that it was a sting operation that he had done on one of the prosecution witness on how his client was being framed by the CBI. He has also asked the law minister to go before the media and present this audio clip that he claims that he was in touch with the prosecution witness. As of now, it seems that this is going to embroil into a big political controversy. Both the BJP and the Congress trying to corner the Aam Aadmi Party on Bharti's indictment by the court. They are also saying that once an order is given and that is not reserved by any higher court, that means that there were sufficient grounds for the judge to indict Somnath Bharti, and that is why he should be sacked immediately by Arvind Kejriwal.
All right. And is there any response so far from Somnath Bharti himself, the law minister of Delhi? Because clearly the opposition here, the BJP, of course, is raising its hackles over this issue, and the Congress too has joined in. So there is a fair amount of pressure that is now building up on the Aam Aadmi Party government and the minister, of course, himself. Absolutely.
In fact, as of now, the CM candidate of the BJP in the last election, Harsh Vardhan, he came out and very vociferously said that this clearly shows that there is difference between what Aam Aadmi Party says and what they actually do. He also demanded the resignation of the minister immediately. The political pressure, of course, will be exerted on the Aam Aadmi Party and specifically on Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal to act on Bharti. But as of now, it seems that the party is convinced that no wrongdoing has been done by Somnath Bharti, and they probably would be, sticking out their neck for him. But we will have to wait and see how this unfolds, because already the Congress, their allies in the government, have also started talking against him. And if this boils down into a big political controversy in Delhi, then of course Arvind Kejriwal will have to come out and take some stand.
All right, so for now it seems the Aam Aadmi Party has given a clean chit to its law minister, who has been indicted by Patiala House Court. Serious charges there of evidence tampering. So clearly the law minister there in trouble. Remains to be seen how the Aam Aadmi Party and its leaders fend this latest crisis off.